Hello everybody, it is Milan Marco from channel Make It Better, and in this video we are going to make better this OTF knife which is out the front. It doesn't work anymore properly, but it should work like that. And there is a video, from this German guy, and I think it's brilliant, absolutely amazing, genius stuff. It's just like 3 parts of OTF knife, and I think it's a brilliant idea just for 3 parts. You can download it from his site. It has about 1 million views, and yeah, now let's try to make it better, which 2 things, most important things what we can make better is, first, of course, get rid of this silly gap or silly slice or hole, but it's of course it's there because the function when this whole upper spring, it's pressing the blade in moving back. So the system is actually very simple. Here is a spring, here is a blade and the handle, and there is like a hook, and the second hook is there down. So this is the first point what we have to improve, which is get rid of this gap. And the second thing, which has almost all of them, all OTF knives, is that the blade is the end position is much shorter than the handle. So we have to try to make it a little bit better, improve it. But as you can see in internet, almost all of them, because of the system, all OTF knives is much smaller, much shorter blade than the handle. So we are going to improve it, and so I came up with this my system. This is my knife, which it's has, as you can see, it's first much longer blade, and the second, of course, there is no this silly hole. And I don't want to make negative about this German guy which has created this, because this took basically there is one of the comments like many tries and how to make it, how to come to this stand what he has, and it took me in my case like only this couple of tries, which even this tries it works quite good. Yeah, and but second thing, third thing actually, what has to be improved in this knife is here these hooks. So what's happened, at the beginning my knives worked perfectly, but with the time they get rounded and not anymore sharp, and here the holding position is, as you can see, is not really holding in the position. So, and the second thing, the spring must be a little bit stronger, and I created much stronger and shorter, of course. So I came to this knife, which, yep. Oh. So you can download all these files down under the video. So let's get into the details, how I did it, how I created, how I make it better. So I disassemble it. So again, if you compare it, I am a little bit shorter. Here's like 108 millimeters, 0.5, I think. I have exactly 108. I am a little bit brighter, as you can see, like half one of 1.5 millimeter. Here's like 28.5. I have exactly 30 millimeters, but I'm 1 millimeter thinner, and yeah, it's basically almost the same. But the blade, as you can see, this is the end position. And this is my end position. So you can see this blind is not only we get rid of this gap or the silly hole, but also we are much more longer than this original knife. And now the last things what is here, you can see probably I make it much more sharper, little bit with angle. I can show it later on my CAD files and FreeCAD, and it's a little bit in with angle. And here these springs are much stronger and shorter. It's like, here's I think like 1.3 millimeters and quite long, and I have like 1.5 and it's shorter. Obviously when it's shorter it's much more stronger, so that's why. So this is the knife. It's very easy to build it. Actually here it's yeah, it's very easy and simple to build it together, and works perfectly. So it's good. So now let's have a look a little bit on the CAD files. As you can see, here is all my CAD files, all 3 CAD files, actually 1 file. OTF Knife version 3, because before I have 2 versions, it didn't work properly. So now you can see CAD, free CAD, very simple, easy program for free, but I use it because I don't have to use it with cloud when I'm flying, I'm at the airport, no internet, or in the train. So now let's have a look. There is a slider, very simple, very easy. Handle, yeah, and now is the blade. And now you can see the blade here is stronger a little bit, and you can see the handle. And this is the point where I was improving. This is a little bit thicker and shorter, and of course here with angle that it is much more better, not easy blunted, and stay longer sharp and holding in position. And now comes the slider. So simple, so easy are these CAD file. You can download it under below this video. So as you can see, I used only these couple of tries. It's all my tries actually. Here is build 1 knives, which almost worked, but again there was the problems with sharpening these corners, these hooks. But otherwise I was testing like the springs here 3 times, 4 times till I came to this knives. So it's all, if you like it, you can download it, you can share it with your friends, and of course if you like it you can support me, and see you in the next video. Make it better.